Hello viewers, so today we have got a new Infocus Vision 3. We got it from Amazon.in with a price range of 6,999 and today we will be unboxing it and reviewing it for the first time. So let's get started. So inside the packaging we have found the new Infocus Vision 3. Let's check its specification. The best part of this phone is you get a 18:9 full vision display, which is really surprising at this price point. And along the same, you get a wide screen of 5.7-inch full HD on-cell display. And the best part of this phone becomes its dual rear camera with 13MP and 5MP, and it also has a 8MP front camera with the beautification mode, and it has a large battery capacity of 4000 mAh. So let's check out what's inside the box. So now let's remove the plastic packaging and check out what's inside. Now this is really funny. Okay, it's finally open, I guess. And the magic is happening. And here, for the first view, you find your Infocus Vision 3. Let's find out how the phone looks. Let's take it out of this plastic. And here you have another plastic stick to the screen, and here they talk about the specifications. On the back you have the dual camera and the fingerprint sensor. So let's keep aside the phone as of now and let's check what are the accessories that we find along. Let's get inside the box. And on the very first we find some Infocus branding along with the warranty card and the user manual. So let's keep it aside and let's find out what else are there in the box. So here finally we have the charger. This charger feels premium, looks really nice with a matte finish. So let's check out its rating. So it's a 0.35 ampere charger with the output of 1.5 volt, that is 1500 mAh. So this is not a quick charger. Let's find out what else is inside the box. So here we have a data cable. So this data cable looks like a normal data cable. This is not a Type-C charger. And here we have a SIM ejector tool. That's a pin which is used to eject the SIM tray to insert your SIM. And now let's check out the hardware of the phone. So on the right we have the power button and the SIM tray. And on the left we have the volume rocker up and down. And on the back we have a dual rear camera which is 13MP and 5MP, and below we have a fingerprint scanner to scan your index finger. And at the bottom we have an ambient microphone that can record your voice, and besides that you have your charging port. And on the valve you have a 3.5mm audio jack, and you can also connect your home theater and Bluetooth speaker with the same. Now let's check out the side thickness of the phone. So this phone is only 8.8mm thick, which feels quite premium on the hands. And now let's remove the front plastic panel and check out what's inside. So now we're powering on and making the first boot of this phone. So here you have a language select option. We select English. Let's go next. And here they ask for the name. So here you have the Google options. Try clicking them all and go next. So here you're asking the Google setup. We'll do it later. Let's set the fingerprint scanner. We add a pattern. Now let's record the fingerprint sensor. Yeah, I think it's done. And here you have a smile UX. We'll join the user program. Let's finish the setup and move to the screen. So here we have the Infocus Vision 3 screen, and it's really easy to operate with one hand. Though it's a 5.7 screen, but the 18:9 aspect ratio screen makes it easier to use with one single hand. And now let's check out its performance. Let me tell you, this has a MediaTek processor with 2 gigs of RAM. Let's check out its app's response. Let's start off with the clock. So this was the response time that you saw. Gallery, calendar, Amazon Prime, user news, Google YouTube, let's check out if we can uninstall some of the apps. No, we can't. Yes, we can uninstall the UC News app, but not any other third-party apps that are installed. No, it doesn't work. So now let's check out this touchpad. Seems smooth enough. So you have an on-screen capacitive button, as you can see. Here is the back button, here is the home button, and here is the use button. So here you have your app list, and you can clear them off from here. Let's check out its camera. Let's allow all the permissions. This camera app looks really similar to Apple 7 and 8. You have a time-lapse mode, you have a video mode, photo, a beautification mode, a panorama mode, and the pro mode. Let's check out its photo mode. Let's click some samples. I would say it does a decent work in indoor lighting, in artificial lighting, though not that great. Let's check out some more. Does a decent work, but you can observe a lot of grains because it was clicked in an artificial lighting. Let's check out its portrait mode and see if it works. I don't notice any difference between these two photographs, so the portrait mode doesn't seem to work that well. Let's take another try. I think you get a similar response from the same. So you have a lot of artistic and PIP effects on here. And this is a full screen mode, and here you can change your aspect ratios from standards, square and full screen. So this is a multi-feature camera app. With this you can click 4 photographs. Now this is really cool, kind of makes a collage. Though I would say the camera doesn't seem to be operating that well, but we have to test a lot in outdoor lighting condition in daylights, and we will make a full review of your performance after using it for a week. So please do come back to our channel to check those videos. So that's a quick unboxing and review video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. And I would conclude that this phone seems quite well if we consider its price bracket. For only $699 you have a dual camera and the 18:9 aspect ratio, so you can go ahead with the same if you have a tight budget. Thank you.